Yes, of course. School plays important role in our life and this is the best place to learn. In school, our classroom are well organized where we learn in a unique way. School provides perfect learning environment and fields to play. If somebody asked me, do you want to go to school after this lockdown? I would say no because I have all the solution at home. Due to lockdown since last 3 months, schools, colleges and all institutes have been shut. For our study, the government has found a way that is online classes. They are free and takes less time. During this time, I attended lectures through mobile and laptop. My subject teachers taught me through a planned timetable. I participated in co-curricular activities with academic learning. Frankly speaking, I didn't miss the school because after attending online classes of 3 to 4 hours, I got sufficient time for other activities. It was too comfortable and easy to study through audios, videos shared by our teachers in the class WhatsApp groups. This way, there was a good connection between our teachers and all the classmates. My school conducted online test exams and it was good experience for me. The best thing I got through this online learning process is that now I am trained in using various educational apps. I'm very thankful to my principal and teachers who did great efforts to provide us online classes. I myself have plenty of hobbies. The most important thing, I spared most of the time in my hobbies. I love gardening and playing indoor games, which gives me the exercise required to keep me fit and healthy. These are the reasons I didn't miss this school in the last 3 months.